Hi guys, welcome to the channel. According to nonfungible.com, in the first quarter of 2021, the general capitalization of major NFT projects increased over 2,100%. In the past year, the total market growth was only 300%. Many NFT tokens are sold instantly, and the most popular ones are sold approximately for $70 million. Moreover, various celebrities support the market by transferring their music, pictures, memes, videos, logos, codes, etc. into NFTs. The most benefit the websites, which work as platforms for NFT trading to simplify the purchasing and selling of the NFT. So that's why, guys, in today's video, we will be showing you how to create your own NFT marketplace and how much does it cost. Without further ado, let's begin. So you're an artist or a designer, and you've heard that someone paid $69 million for a digital painting by Beeple. No, you'll never reach that level of craze unless you share some connections with the Singaporean ventures of your buyer, but you can still try and mint an NFT that you can call your own. In most cases, you will lose some money in the process, but hey, you will have successfully jumped on the bandwagon, and you'll be able to brag on Instagram and Twitter about it. A non-fungible token, NFT, is a blockchain-based tokenization of a collectible item or art piece. NFTs certify digital ownership and authenticity, stored publicly on the blockchain for quick verification. Popularized by the NBA, Mark Cuban, and Logan Paul, NFTs have bubbled in the mainstream. You don't have to be a famous YouTuber or billionaire to make your own NFTs. New companies like Nifty Gateway, OpenSea, and Rarible let anyone in on the action. An NFT gold rush means collectors want to get in early on the next generation of collectible items. Some NFTs fetch huge markups in the resale market after selling out within seconds of dropping online. NFTs have changed the way we think about art, and this is only the beginning. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create your first NFT. Pick your item. First thing you have to do is to pick the artwork. Non-fungible tokens can represent any digital file. You can make an NFT of a digital painting, a text, a piece of music, a video, literally anything that can be reproduced as a multimedia file. After that, the NFT game is all about turning digital artwork into unique pieces in the age of their infinite reproduction. Have some ether handy. Once you've chosen your digital asset, it's time to get some ether. You can make NFTs on a bunch of different blockchains, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll consider you're going to use Ethereum. That's the most popular one, and the most prominent NFT marketplace supporting it. Minting an NFT could cost money. Therefore, you will need an Ethereum wallet with some Ether, the cryptocurrency based on Ethereum, on it. One of the easiest to use is MetaMask. You can download it as a free app on your iPhone or Android smartphone. The price requested to create the NFT is highly volatile. Have at least $100 worth of Ether, but be aware that the minting process could cost you even more, based on the daily operational price. If you'll mint your NFT on OpenSea though, the process is free because of the type of token the platform will create, but you still have to connect a wallet to create an account. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Choose a marketplace. Now that you've got everything in place, you need to pick a marketplace where you will physically, virtually, create and then list your NFT. The most popular ones are Mintable, Rarible, or OpenSea. For the sake of this guide, we'll pick the last one because it's free to join and has no moderation on the content you can list. That means you don't have to be approved as an artist to be selling on the platform. OpenSea and Rarible are the leading platforms for NFT creation. While Rarible dominates total sales figures, OpenSea provides more relatable services, including the ability to create your own NFT web store powered by the OpenSea exchange. Both platforms allow users to upload their art and create their collection without any technical blockchain knowledge required. Before you get started, know there will be some upfront costs. NFTs are powered by a blockchain, typically Ethereum's blockchain. Using a blockchain comes at a cost, a network fee called gas, that you'll need to pay in order to tokenize your art. Rarible requires artists to mint their NFTs on the blockchain, on-chain, during creation. This means repeated smaller costs. If you're planning on selling a couple NFTs for huge prices, Rarible is likely your best bet. On the other hand, if you want to create a multimedia of cheaper NFTs, you'll want to use OpenSea's Collection Manager. OpenSea Collection Manager allows users to pay a one-time fee for establishing a new collection. From that collection, an unlimited number of NFTs are able to be created and stored off-chain by the OpenSea centralized team until a sale is made. At this point, the buyer will pay the gas fee associated with the transaction, and your NFT will be placed on the chain and transferred. Set up MetaMask. The first thing you'll need to do to create your own NFT is to set up a software wallet. This wallet can hold your NFTs, and you'll also need to use it to pay blockchain gas fees later on. Make your own way over to metamask.io, where you can download the app or add the Chrome extension. Creating a MetaMask wallet is simple and free. Just remember to keep track of your seed phrase in case you ever need to recover the wallet. Remember that wallets don't hold cryptocurrencies or NFTs, they store your private key, which is needed to authorize transactions. All cryptocurrencies and NFTs are actually kept on the blockchain, with the wallet ID designating ownership. Tokenize your art. Once you have a MetaMask wallet created, you'll be able to create your own NFTs. Navigate to OpenSea.io and click the Create button in the menu bar. Now you can create your MetaMask wallet with OpenSea and get to work. Create the name of your NFT collection, then click the Add New Item button. You are now ready to upload the file you want to tokenize and give it certain properties and stats that distinguish it from the rest of your collection. Determine how many copies you want of each item, then set a retail price. List on the marketplace. In order to sell your first NFT, you'll need to enable OpenSea to sell items from your account. This requires a blockchain transaction, so you'll have to pay a gas fee. Send some Ether to your MetaMask and you're good to go. There are often fees for buying or selling an NFT on a marketplace. OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace, charges 2.5% per transaction. Others, like SuperRare, charge more. OpenSea also allows creators to charge up to 10% as a royalty fee. You'll only need to pay this fee the first time you create an NFT collection. If you don't have any Ethereum, you can use Coinbase or Gemini to purchase some and send it to your MetaMask wallet. Now that you've given OpenSea permission to sell your NFTs, anyone can find and purchase them on the OpenSea marketplace. You're done! So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, do you have any questions about the process? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!